They say it takes a village to raise a child, but what we forgot is it also takes the same village to actually raise a mother. Welcome to Healthy Beginnings Initiative, and I am Hilda, your lactation counselor and your transformational genomic wellness consultant. Breastfeeding may be natural, but it's not always very easy. And that's where the power of community comes in. So let us today understand in this video what is the power of community when it comes to a breastfeeding mom and a baby. Let's see more in this video. Why does community actually matter? New mothers, they often face with exhaustion, self-doubt, lack of sleep, family pressure, and conflicting advices from many people. Researchers have shown that mothers who have peer groups or peer support groups, family encouragement, and professional guidance, they are more likely to succeed with exclusive breastfeeding. But on the other hand, isolation, it leads to stress. And with stress, it will impact the milk flow, and this in turn will affect the baby's nutrition will be suffering. The community as a whole will actually provide emotional support, practical help, and confidence. Here we are to understand the signs of support. Oxytocin, the love hormone, as we have seen in our previous video, is the key hormone for the milk let down, meaning for the milk to be expressed out to the baby while feeding. When a mother feels supported, loved, and cared for, the oxytocin flow will be very much higher and in abundance. This will help the milk to flow better. But on the other hand, criticism or loneliness, this will lower the oxytocin and it will directly block the milk supply, which means community is not just emotional, it is biological. So, what does community support actually look like for a breastfeeding mother or a mother in this journey? So, community can mean number one, family. Example, the husband sharing the responsibilities, grandparents offering encouragement, siblings helping with the household chores. Number two, other women or other mothers. These will help with sharing stories, tips, struggles, and victories. Number three are professionals, that is, like lactation counselors, wellness guides, and pediatric support. And number four are online groups which offer safe spaces where the mothers can learn that they are not alone. Even one encouraging voice can transform a mother's journey. So, practically, how can we build our own village as a breastfeeding mother? Number one, ask for help without any guilt. Do not feel guilty if you need to ask for any kind of assistance from anyone around. Number two, surround yourself with people who uplift you and not who drain you out. Normally, we have seen during this time many people who tell the mother what to do, what not to do, and when it even comes to breastfeeding, they would even suggest or support the mother in not breastfeeding just because she needs to take rest, or you could just do formula feeding, which would help the mother to just take rest and overcome her uh, health. But actually, here in this situation, more than this kind of people, we need people who actually support the mother and uplift her in this journey rather than putting her down. Number three, try to join any local or online breastfeeding circles. This will help you keep you connected with mothers of the in the same journey, and also you will feel supported and encouraged. And in the fourth point is be the community for another mom. So just as you have experienced this kind of support and wisdom and encouragement, we need to pass this on to other mothers who would be in the same kind of journey and who would be expecting someone to be there with them. Your support can ripple into your generations to come yet. So let's remember this. Every time we support a mother, we are actually nourishing a baby. Every time you encourage breastfeeding, you are strengthening the health of a generation. So, together as a community, we can make exclusive breastfeeding not just a mother's effort but actually a collective victory. If you found this video powerful and encouraging, do share it with your friends and family, and do like and subscribe to our Healthy Beginnings initiative, because we are just started on this journey to raise healthy generations. Let's meet each other in the next video.